Hi all, today's seminar is on tan position of deflection magnetometer. So here in this, you can see the diagram of a deflection magnetometer. For getting the tan position, we have to first arrange the arm of the magnetometer in the north-south direction. Also, the magnet should be placed perpendicular to the scale. For calculating the magnetic field strength B, consider a magnet of length 2L and magnetic moment M, which is placed at a distance d from the center of a compass box. Magnetic field at the center of the compass due to north pole is B1 is equal to mu0 m divided by 4 pi r square. From the figure by Pythagoras theorem, we know that r square is equal to d square plus l square. Same way, magnetic field due to south pole is B2 is equal to mu0 m by 4 pi d square plus l square.
From the equation 1 and 2, it is seen that B1 is equal to B2. Now, there are two fields at the center making an angle 2 theta. Therefore, the resultant field B is equal to root of B1 square plus B2 square plus 2B1 B2 cos 2 theta. B is equal to root of B1 square plus B1 square plus 2B1 square cos 2 theta. B is equal to root of 2B1 square plus 2B1 square cos 2 theta. B is equal to root of 2B1 square into 1 plus cos 2 theta. B is equal to root of 2B1 square 2 cos square theta, which is equal to 2B1 cos theta. Therefore, B is equal to 2 into mu0 by 4 pi into m by d square plus l square cos theta. But cos theta is equal to L by d square plus L square whole raised to 1 by 2 from the figure. B is equal to mu0 by 4 pi into m into 2L by d square plus L square into d square plus L square whole raised to 1 by 2. B is equal to mu0 by 4 pi into m by d square plus L square whole raised to 3 by 2. Using this in tangent law, we get mu0 by 4 pi into m by d square plus L square whole raised to 3 by 2, which is equal to BH tan theta, or m is equal to 4 pi by mu0 into d square plus L square whole raised to 3 by 2 BH tan theta. Assuming the BH and measuring d, L and theta, the magnetic moment of the magnet can be calculated. The pole strength of the magnet M is equal to M by 2L.
The problem is the angle of dip at a place where horizontal and vertical component of Earth's magnetic field is equal. So the solution is the angle of dip is given by delta tan inverse of BV by BH, where BV is vertical component of Earth's